Hey everyone, today I visited the speedcube.com.au warehouse and picked up two new cubes. So yeah, today we're gonna unbox them and see how they are. Might as well give my first impressions as well, since I have tried these cubes for a bit. Both are really promising main contenders for me. And yeah, so starting with the WRM 7x7. I'm actually kind of excited for this one since I don't really have a good 7x7 currently, and I'm kind of, let's say, not the best at big cubes, so hoping that something like this gets me motivated to practice even. Okay, what am I gonna... There we go. Alright. Pretty standard stuff. Moyu accessories box. Seems like it's just gonna have the screwdriver and solving tutorial. Okay, we don't need that. Yes, so this cube is a lot smaller than most 7x7s. I haven't checked, but I do have my only 7x7 here for comparison. Is the X-Man Spark, which is a bit outdated, but it's still a magnetic 7x7. And yeah, let's get this thing out. So yeah, it might not look that small in comparison, but in your hands it is more than noticeable, especially for a 7x7. Here's a 4x4, which is the closest big cube I had to me. It's actually not too much bigger than a 4x4 than I expected. Let's try 5x5. It's my Volt 5, and it's almost the same size, which is pretty surprising. Okay. Yeah, with that aside, first turns. It's a bit sandy as expected out of the box. I really like the feel of this, already, even though it's still fresh out of the box. It's really fast, the outer layers, they feel as good as 5x5 outer layers, which is a really big thing, especially since the Volk 5's outer layers are already so good. These are I can feel I can turn at full speed with full confidence on these outer layers. I don't do much 7x7, so there's my thoughts. Okay, next is the X-Man Design Tornado V3. This is the Pioneer version that I got. I tried all three, the standard, flagship, and Pioneer, and based off my short experience with each of them, I decided to go with the Pioneer. So yeah, let's get this thing open. Alright. Ooh, I did not expect this. The red just comes right in your face. So yeah, just another cube and accessories box. This comes in a nice case. I believe this is magnetic. Yeah, it's a magnetic case which just comes open and closed like that. Let's see what the Chi provides in the box. So we have some cards and a magnet adjustment tool, I believe. cleaning cloth and what seems like an instruction booklet on how to adjust the cube settings. Yep. Hey. And a nice bag. Oh, this one's a different texture to most other bags I'm used to. There is also another solving tutorial, so let's get that out of the way and get straight to the cube. I actually really like these shades. Like, premium cheese shades are, in my opinion, one of the best. Yeah, okay, that's enough admiring. Let's get into first turns. That is really, really nice. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. Okay, so out of the box turns are amazing. It's really smooth, but also like really speedy, without any setup at all. It's like incredible. And I can confidently turn like at a relatively high speed for me on this, which is like a huge plus. Since usually like whenever I try to turn at like close to my top speed, I end up either locking up like way too much because my turning is inaccurate, or I misturn and mess up myself. Corner cutting seems pretty nice. I guess it can't do this area, which is pretty expected. And like, I'm sure with this speed, like you won't really get to a point in the solve where your like layer is at this part, especially with the maglev, which gives it like a lot of momentum to move, unless you're doing like really tiny flicks, which at that point it's kind of on you. I'm actually really happy with this from Chi. I haven't shown the adjustment system yet, so let's do that. There are 5 settings for each of the spring compression, or in this case maglev compression, and the tension, which is adjusted with a different system instead of just adjusting the screw. You flip up this kind of twistable tool and you twist clockwise to adjust the spring compression and counterclockwise to adjust the tension of the cube, of the layer that you're adjusting. So right now, I'll bring it back to the default setting. It was at 3.3 as a default. Okay, so right now it's at 3 for compression and 3 for tension. Turning it clockwise brings the compression up to 4 as brings the compression down to 2, sorry. It is the one on the outer ring pointing towards this small notch. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. That is the setting which the spring compression is on. Now it is at 1. Yeah, now it's back to 3. That's weird. If that is correct, which I'm not entirely sure it is, but from what I've understood in the booklets, it is. The arrow on the outer ring pointing to the notch here is the one that shows the current spring / compression setting. So yeah, and clockwise adjust the tension, which is shown in this small ring here. Right now it is at 4. Bring it to 5, and then back to 1. Alright, the magnet system is found in here. Yes, okay. So we have a total of 5 magnet settings. I don't know. Okay, this should be like somewhat visible. There's a minus here, separated by 3 dots with a plus there. And currently our magnet, or line with the magnet, is pointed closest to the dot nearest to the minus sign. So which would mean we are at the second lowest setting. Yeah, okay, so this can be adjusted both ways, which is nice. And right now it's at the strongest setting. Then I can twist this back. Oh. Back to the minus setting. Okay, that's cool. So it seems that can be like adjusted fairly quickly with the tool, which is pretty nice. And yeah, really happy with the out-of-the-box performance of this cube. If I wasn't, I'm recording this the day before I leave to Perth for Nats, by the way. If it wasn't at this time, this would probably be an instant main, but for now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna switch right about now, since, yeah, really hoping to do well in 3x3, and I don't know if switching a main a couple days before I compete is going to be that good for myself's income, but I don't know. Yeah, anyway, that's the end of this unboxing / first impressions video. Hope you enjoyed, and see ya.